Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, because I wasn't able to test it there, is test it here. Uh, this streaming and setting up an OBS space. So here you go. An unintended audience gets this. So I have set up two different profiles in OBS. One for 207 Analytics specifically, and then one for anything else that I would be involved in. What the profiles do is allow me to set up different uh, spe- does specifically for what this is, allows me to set up different streaming. So on the other side, the other profile I have set up, uh, it is set up to the 207 Analytics streaming. Excuse me. The 207 Analytics streaming service, that YouTube account, and this profile, the other is set up for this YouTube account, which it is streaming to now. Hopefully, we'll find out. And then the other part of it is the scenes. So that sets up the profiles, set up the ability to stream from different services. Uh, and I could add another profile on there if I wanted to, say, stream to a Instagram or some other connected thing. I don't know what the options are, but I can add more if I wanted to. So that handles that part of it. The other part of it is the inputs that I use to broadcast or record anything through OBS Studio. 207 Analytics is not going to be using necessarily the same inputs that I would be using, or the same settings on those inputs that I would be using for something else, not related to 207 Analytics. So what I found is the scene collection, and that doesn't transfer with profiles. That's fine though. You can just change the scene selection. It's easy enough to notice if one is out from the other. One thing with the profiles, I will say, you can see it at the top in the title bar. It has the name of the profile that you're on, so that's helpful. It's small, but it's helpful. And then outside of that, those scene collections, being able to switch between those after you've done that is the other part of it. So uh, now I'm just going to go ahead and build out the screen that you see in front of you, this big black space, and kind of, I don't know, I think I want to make this one like a presentation type screen. So we've got the laptop camera set up as a uh, source. My audio source right now primarily is my headset and yeah, audio input going in. And then I also have a microphone here set up, which would act as another input, but I'm not going to be using that. It's actually on now. I could probably turn that off. There. All right. So, um, those are my inputs that I have here now. So now I want to just kind of add something to here. So I probably want to share my screen because I've named this scene presentation. So if I go to add a source, and I can select, oh, where is it? Display capture. And I can create a name because I don't have anything existing in this workspace. I will call it full screen because I'm creative. Okay. And now we need to select display. I only have one. Hit OK. Alright, so now we can see my entire screen. And I'll scale that down. Alright, so we have this to play with, and if we wanted to fit it all in there, I can resize it and do as such. Sometimes we don't want to see the time and date on a screen if you want to keep it kind of evergreen, which I think you can hold Alt and yeah, and then drag, and that just crops to wherever you want to crop it. So now I got a little bit more space, and I can kind of play this, enlarge it if I want to. But I don't think I really do. If we do, ooh, I got an idea. So we'll do this here, and then we'll put like a title bar up here. So we'll add, let's add text for now. Ooh, then let's do a better background. So if I add color, we'll say blue. And let's find a blue. I just learned how to spell palette today appropriately. P-A-L-E-T-T-E. There's only one L. Alright, we got some pretty colors to pick from, and I'll go. Oh, why don't you give me the hex? There we go. Shades of blue. Sure. And we'll put that behind everything. There. Now it's a pretty background. And then what I say, a title up here. Let's pull this down. We'll just do 207 Analytix. Text. Bar. And 207 Analytics. Change the color. Oh. And we won't mess with the font right now. Where's the color? No, that's the background color. We want this color. And we'll shrink a lot down. Slide her over here. Oh. It's confusing seeing both screens. I want to go here. There. Good enough for now. And then let's put something down here. Maybe we'll put the host's name here or the presenter's name here. We'll add another text. Change that color. Keep it consistent, I suppose. Why not? I might change it. Actually, let's change it to black. Give it some space in case you get a presenter with a longer name. That is not what I wanted to do. There we go. Come on. And can I nudge it up? Yes. Yes, I can. Yeah. All right. So now we got that, and then this leaves space for, I don't know, I guess any notes or something. Presentation notes, maybe an outline. Yeah. Let's do that. We'll add a box, so we'll add another color. And we'll color this. Well, let's just leave it white, whatever. Or gray. I think that's what the default is. Yep. Yep. That's gonna drop all the way to the back. No, no, just kidding. But it is gonna drop. Ooh. This might be kind of cool. Maybe, maybe not. There. Where is it? Let's bring it. So then it kind of jets out from the back there. I don't know if I want that same color. No, maybe it works. And then you can put the text, the outline or whatever. Just text again. And this will be 5 points should be enough. And we'll make that black too. And maybe it'll be cool in blue. Let's see. think presentation and outline need to go on two different spools. Yeah. So the bullets are going to have to be short. Short bullets, but that's fine. Hmm. Can't tell if it looks better up here or in the middle. I think it might look better there. That'll do for now. All right, so I think that looks good. I'm gonna call it. All right, let's see if this test worked.